Good morning, student. Today's topic is famous first. We are going to read about the famous first. What is the meaning of famous first? We are going to learn about the person who were first in the field of politics or sports or etc. So before I start the today's topic, let us recapitulate the topic which we have done earlier. That was folk dances. I hope you have understood the meaning of folk dances and you have learned the folk dances and the states where it is famous. So let us recapitulate it. First was Yakshgana. It is famous in Karnataka. Second was Chao. It is famous in Odisha. Third is Garba. That is famous in Gujarat. Fourth is Lavani, which is famous in Maharashtra. Fifth is Bihu, that is famous in Assam. And the sixth one is Khumar, that is famous in Rajasthan. So we have recapitulated the previous topic, that was folk dance. So today we are going to learn about the famous first. I have told you the meaning of famous first. We are going to learn about the person who were first to go to space, who were first in the politics, who were first in the sports, etc. So let us start today's topic. The first one, the first vice president of India to become the president. I repeat, the first vice president of India to become the president. The answer is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. The answer is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first vice president in the year 1952 till 1962, and he became the second president of India in the year 1962 till 1967, and he was born on 5th September 1888, and we celebrate his birth anniversary as Teachers Day. I hope all of you know about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and you have got more information about his career also. Second one, the first Indian to travel to space. I repeat, the first Indian to travel to space was Rakesh Sharma. So what is the answer? Answer is Rakesh Sharma. Let me give you more information about Rakesh Sharma. On 2nd April 1984, Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to travel into space. When the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi asked him how India looked from the outer space, he famously replied, Sare jahan se acha, which means more beautiful than entire world. So I hope you have got the more information about Rakesh Sharma. He was the first Indian to travel to space. Third one, the first Indian woman to win Miss World contest is Rita Faria. Answer is Rita Faria. She is also the first Miss World winner to qualify as doctor, and she became the first Indian woman to win Miss World contest on 17 November 1966. So what is the answer? Rita Faria. Let us recapitulate these 3 points which we have done today. The first vice president of India to become the president was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. The first Indian to travel to space was Rakesh Sharma. The first Indian woman to win the Miss World contest, and the answer is Rita Faria. Let us learn more points about India's first. The first Indian Prime Minister to receive the Bharat Ratna. I hope all of you know this answer. The first Indian Prime Minister to receive the Bharat Ratna was Jawaharlal Nehru, and he was the first Prime Minister of India. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day. So, the next one, that is the first Indian to swim across the English Channel. I repeat, the first Indian to swim across the English Channel. The answer is Mihir Sen. Answer is Mihir Sen. Let me give you more information about him. He was the famous long distance swimmer and a national hero of India. I repeat, he was the famous long distance swimmer and a national hero of India. He was the only man to swim the oceans of 5 continents in one calendar year. So this was the information about Mihir Sen. The next one. The first woman IPS officer of India. The first woman IPS officer of India. Before I give you the answer, let me tell you the meaning of IPS. IPS stands for Indian Police Service. IPS stands for Indian Police Service. So the question is that the first woman IPS officer of India is Kiran Bedi. Answer is Kiran Bedi. Let me give you more information about her. She is retired Indian Police Service officer and she is a social activist, former tennis player and the politician. She is retired Indian Police Service officer, social activist, former tennis player and a politician. She used to play several roles. Next one. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest is Bajendri Pal. Answer is Bajendri Pal. She is awarded the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, by the Government of India in 2019. I repeat, she is awarded the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, by the Government of India in 2019. The next one, the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha. The first woman speaker of Lok Sabha is Meera Kumar. Is the answer the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha? The answer is Meera Kumar. She was the five-time member of the parliament. She is the five-time member of the parliament, served from 2009 to 2014. She served from 2009 to till 2014. So let us repeat all these points. The first vice president of India to become the president. Answer is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Second one, the first Indian to travel to space. The answer is Rakesh Sharma. Third one, the first Indian woman to win the Miss World contest. The first Indian woman to win the Miss World contest is Rita Faria. Rita Faria. Fourth one, the first Indian Prime Minister to receive the Bharat Ratna. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next is the first Indian to swim across the English Channel. The answer is Mihir Sen. Next, the first woman IPS officer of India, and the answer is Kiran Bedi. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. The first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest, and the answer is Bajendri Pal. The first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha. I repeat, the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha, that is Meera Kumar. I hope you have understood today's topic, that is famous first. You have learned about the person that is first in the field of sports, in the field of politics and etc. So, it can come in the form of the fill-ups, it can come in the form of the MCQs, and it can also come in the form of matching. Like Jawaharlal Nehru, I can give you in column A Jawaharlal Nehru, in the next column I can write Indian Prime Minister. Or I can give you Kiran Bedi, and the column B I can write IPS officer. So you have to match it. It is in the form of the matching. I can give you in the form of the questions, in the form of the MCQ. Dash was the first vice president of India to become the president. So you have to write Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I hope you have got the information about these people very well. You have understood it very well. So your homework is that you have to revise all these things which we have read today, okay, and learn the spelling. Focus on spelling.